The world's heaviest soaring bird flaps its wings just 1% of the time during flight. The Andean Condor, which can weigh up to 15 kilograms, makes use of air currents to stay airborne for hours at a time. Flight recorders found one bird flew for 5 hours without flapping, covering about 172 kilometers, 107 miles. Birds' flight efforts vary depending on environmental conditions. The study found 75% of the birds' flapping was associated with takeoff. Human glider pilots can soar all day if the conditions are right, so in some senses the condor's performance may not seem surprising. But glider pilots look at the weather and decide whether or not it is good for flying. Condors probably do this to a certain extent, but at some point they will get hungry, and they need to fly to find food. They feed on carcasses, but these don't necessarily appear in places that are ideal for condors to fly to. They might encounter some tricky conditions, or at least conditions that make them flap, in the search for food. Birds need to find rising air to avoid an unplanned landing. These risks are higher when moving between thermal updrafts. Thermals can behave like lava lamps, with bubbles of air rising intermittently from the ground when the air is warm enough. Birds may therefore arrive in the right place for a thermal, but at the wrong time.